Binance crypto arbitrage. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn what the crypto arbitrage is all about and how we can use it for our benefit, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So first of all, if you don't know what it is, crypto arbitrage involves exploiting price differences for the same cryptocurrency on different exchanges to make a profit. And here's a general guide to performing arbitrage on Binance. So first is identify arbitrage opportunities like manual monitoring and arbitrage bots. You can use software tools that automatically identify price. There are also types of arbitrage in this case too. One is spatial arbitrage, the other is triangular arbitrage. Now spatial arbitrage means buying a cryptocurrency on one exchange where the price is lower and selling it in another where the price is higher. Triangular arbitrage means exploiting price differences between three trading pairs within the same exchange, for example BTC/Ethereum, Ethereum/USD, and BTC/USD. Now execution steps. So first of all, you need to make sure you have verified accounts on multiple exchanges, and you need to make sure that you deposit funds in the form of fiat or cryptocurrency on the exchanges you plan to use over here. Then you can buy the low and sell it in high price. By carefully managing these factors, crypto arbitrage can be a viable trading strategy, and always perform due diligence and be mindful of the inherent risk. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.